In this video, I want to show you how you can set up your webhooks in Netpicker. Webhooks are useful when you want to be notified about a configuration backup summary or rules execution summary. Basically, you set up a webhook, something like a Slack channel. You point Netpicker towards that channel, and in case of the executions being done, it will send you the summary in any format that you want using Jinja 2 templates. So we have a knowledge base, webhooks. If you go there, you're able to set it up yourself. But this is a video. I'm going to show you how you can do it in real time. So basically, there is this variable dunder ctx, which is going to hold two properties, event and payload. The type of payload depends on event being either backup config here or execute rules. It also tells you how you can set up a nicely looking GJ2 template for the parse output, but I'm going to go to Netpicker and set it up from there. So I'm in Netpicker. In order to set up a webhook, you go to admin, you go to webhooks. I have two webhooks set up here, but I'll create one from scratch, and I will put in the Slack URL. This is going to be something that you need to create. There is documentations for that. You basically set up incoming webhooks in Slack and point it towards a specific channel in your whole workspace. Then you give it a name, maybe test or demo, and I will select both execute rules and backup config. Ideally, you want to have two different webhooks, one for execute rules and one for backup config, because you want to have your dedicated Jinja 2 template for each one, because the payload of each one is different. So you probably want to parse them out in a different way. I've actually done that. I can show you what I have in my configurations, but because this is a demo, I will keep it simple. But I need to change this, so I'm going to paste in what I have. There we go. Now save it and make sure it is enabled. Now, if I trigger a backup config and rules execution, I should be able to receive my summary in my Slack channel. So if I go back to devices, go to a device that I have, I will trigger both backup and policies. Give it a minute and I will go to my Slack and see if I get the results or not. There we go. I received two payloads. I have some information. This is my device. This is the IP address or the FQDN. There is the digest hash, update date, and so on. And if the state is changed or not, it says true. That means from the first time I got a backup, things are different. There are some different configurations, and file size in this case is 0 bytes. Now, the second one is execute rules. We have 14 low severity issues, 51 medium severity issues, and 24 rules were actually successful and were compliant. And we see more information, and you can basically style this however you want. Let me actually show you what I have. So I'll go to admin again, webhooks. I'll disable this and enable these two. So I'm going to go back to devices and trigger backups and policies one more time to show you what are the possibilities with Jinja 2 and the webhook. So I received the first one, rules execution summary. You see that it is more human friendly, more readable. We have the initiator here, device, and the issues. Also, I received the one for configuration backup summary. So this is just another way you can style your GJ2 templates, and that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.